Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one-eyed Great Dane, back with day 173 Star Drop opening, and it should be pretty exciting today, and I'll show you why in a second. But let's see what we got.
Rare.
Got a rare. 20 blink.
Rare.
Another rare. 25 power points.
Rare.
And a rare. 50 coins. But we finally have the release of the permanent vacation mode, which means there are 9 free star drops to get. And what I thought was intriguing is it actually makes a decent amount of sense now what the actual name of the event is, permanent vacation, because you'll notice it is a chroma credit on vacation because they got rid of chroma credits, and it's permanent because they don't plan on bringing it back. You'll also notice that a similar event to this not too long ago, based on the fact that they have a very similar looking pin, or not a pin, profile icon here. Let's see if I can find it. Here it is. So it's the one that looks like Brawl Box, because they got rid of Brawl Boxes. So again, I don't know if they called it permanent vacation when they did that event, but it's essentially the same thing, except all the rewards are star drops, and I feel like this just adds more to the joke of people saying that everything's going to be star drops, but that's just apples to oranges. So anyway, I'm going to see how many times I can pause the video before it crashes probably again, and then I end up having to stitch the video back together, but I also can't do that because the video is gone, but then it just reappears randomly at one point for no reason. Yeah, I don't know, but it's going to be something, so let's see what we can do, guys. Alright, for the first star drop. Yeah. Super rare. 100 coins. Let's do it again. On to the second star drop. Yeah. Super rare. 200 coins. Let's keep going. For the third star drop.
Mythic.
200 credits. Interesting. On to the next map gem grab.
Some wackadoodle.
For the fourth star drop. Yeah.
Rare.
50 coins. On to the next.
It's this side
For the
gig.
fifth star drop. Yeah.
Rare.
100 XP doublers. On to the next.
Fellas.
For the sixth star drop. Yeah.
Rare.
25 power points. On to the next map.
Chaos.
For the seventh star drop.
Rare.
50 coins. On to the next. For
Testing.
the eighth star drop.
Super rare.
100 coins. On to the last one.
Wackadoodle.
And for the last star drop. I think it's making me get the pin first. Yeah.
Rare.
Another rare. 100 XP doublers. Unfortunately, it seems that the video didn't actually crash this time. And believe it or not, apparently you can get a win streak in the Unlimited Lives challenges, apparently, because I definitely didn't have that before. But maybe that'll help me if I decide to build up my trophies a little more. Anyway, we still have the kit offer in the shop. Again, let me know what you guys are thinking of kit so far if you've tried or seen this gameplay. For a daily freebie, we have 10 power points. Again, I don't know why they made it so that animation can't be skipped. And as of today, I have 200 XP doublers and 15,876 power points. So I just played Miko for every single map. You guys could probably tell it wasn't too difficult. I lost a few times just because the teammates were not good, but yeah, it's not really a hard challenge. But let me know what you guys think of the challenge as well, and what brawlers you prefer on each of the maps. But anyway, guys, let's see how far we can take this.